Hello, Namaste, Swagatam and Vanakkam, and here we are on day 5 of Navaratri Kala Yajna. So welcoming you all again, and we have a wonderful evening coming up now. So we'll start with the theme, and as we always do, we'll start with the theme. So, okay, we have had the theme, and it's a wonderful theme to start our evening as we always do. So, we have a wonderful evening coming up. So, welcoming you all to it. So, initially, in the first part of the evening, we have the singing for Lakshmi Devi coming up, and by a special person who's none other than my cousin, who's Vidya Shankari, who's one of the senior students at Yoganjali Natyalayam. She was born and brought up at Yognat, and she is 21 years old now. Currently, she's doing her preparations for competitive examinations. So welcoming her to sing for us, and we have a wonderful singing done by her.
भाग्याढलक्ष्मी भारम्मा भाग्याढलक्ष्मी भारम्मा नम्मनि सौभाग्याढलक्ष्मी भारम्मा नम्मनि सौभाग्याढलक्ष्मी भारम्मा नम्मनि सौभाग्याढलक्ष्मी भारम्मा नम्मनि सौभाग्याढलक्ष्मी भारम्मा ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಾಲ ಗಿಲುಗಿಲು ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ ಗಜ್ಜೆಯ ಕಾಲ ಗಿಲುಗಿಲು ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆ ವೇಳೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಲೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಪೆನ್ನೆ ಎಂಟೆ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸಾಧು ಪೂಜೆ ವೇಳೆ ಮಜ್ಜಿಲೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಪೆನ್ನೆ ಎಂಟೆ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಭಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಭಾರಮ್ಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಂಕಣ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಮುಟವಾದೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಲ್ಲದ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಂಕಣ ಕೈಯ ತಿರುಮುಟವಾರೆ ಕುಂಕುಮಾಕಿತೆ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚನೆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನ ಪಟ್ಟದ ರಾಣಿ ಕುಂಕುಮಾಕಿತೆ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚನೆ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣನ ಪಟ್ಟದ ರಾಣಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಭಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನಿ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ लक्ष्मी भारम्मा चक्कर तुप्पा कालुवे अरसि शुक्रवाರದ पूजय वेलने सक्कर तुप्पा कालुवे अरसि शुक्रवाರದ पूजय वेलने अक्केलयुळ श्री अलगिगि रंगन चोक्का पुरंदर विठलन राणि अक्केलयुळ श्री अलगिगि रंगन चोक्का पुरंदर विठलन राणि भाग्याध लक्ष्मी भारम्मा नम्मनि सौभाग्याध लक्ष्मी भारम्मा नम्मनि सौभाग्याध लक्ष्मी भारम्मा नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्र गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नमस्ते गरुडारूढे घोरासुरभयङ्करे सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयङ्करी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सिद्धिबुद्धि प्रदे देवी बुद्धिमुक्तिप्रदायिनी मन्त्रमूर्ते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते आद्यन्तरहिते देवी आदिशक्ति महेश्वरी योगदे योगसम्भूते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते स्थूल सूक्ष्म महारौद्रे महाशक्ति महोदरे महापाप हरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते पद्मासन स्थिते देवी परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्मातर महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते श्वेताम्बरधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगत्स्थिते जगन्मातर्महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्म्यष्टकं स्तोत्रं यः पठे भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा नमोस्तुते नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते एककाले पठे नित्यं महापापविनाशनं द्विकालं यः पठे नित्यं धनधान्यसमन्वितः नमोस्तुते नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते त्रिकालं यः पठे नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं महालक्ष्मीर्भवे नित्यं प्रसन्ना वरदा शुभा नमोस्तुते नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते 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 महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते कमलपुष्पवासिनी गोविन्दन् पत्तिनि कमलपुष्पवासिनी गोविन्दन् पत्तिनि को माता कुलमाता गुणमाता जगन्माता को माता कुलमाता गुणमाता जगन्माता कल्याणी शुभ कल्याणी कल्याणी शुभ कल्याणी பொங்குதனம் தந்திடுவாள் தனலக்ஷ்மி பொங்குதனம் தந்திடுவாள் தனலக்ஷ்மி ஆதியிலும் மாதி அவள் ஆதிலக்ஷ்மி ஆதியிலும் மாதி அவள் ஆதிலக்ஷ்மி மண் செழிக்க தானியம் தரும் தானியலக்ஷ்மி மண் செழிக்க தானியம் தரும் தானியலக்ஷ்மி மாயவனால் மனமகிழும் வீரலக்ஷ்மி மாயவனால் மனமகிழும் வீரலக்ஷ்மி தடாத தாமரை வாழ்க ஜலக்ஷ்மி தடாத தாமரை வாழ்க ஜலக்ஷ்மி சந்தான சௌபாக்கிய சந்தான லக்ஷ்மி சந்தான சௌபாக்கிய சந்தான லக்ஷ்மி வாளுடனே வெற்றி தரும் விஜயலக்ஷ்மி வாளுடனே வெற்றி தரும் விஜயலக்ஷ்மி அஷ்ட ஐஸ்வர்யம் தரும் ஐஸ்வர்யலக்ஷ்மி அஷ்ட ஐஸ்வர்யம் தரும் ஐஸ்வர்யலக்ஷ்மி कमलपुष्पवासिनी गोविन्दन् पत्तिनि कमलपुष्पवासिनी गोविन्दन् पत्तिनि को माता कुलमाता गुणमाता जगन्माता गोमाता कुलमाता गुणमाता जगन्माता कल्याणी शुभ कल्याणी कल्याणी शुभ कल्याणी शुभ कल्याणी शुभ कल्याणी
So we had some lovely singing from Vidya Shankari, which was really soothing to the heart. And I'm sure that you all liked it, and a wonderful selection of the songs. And we had a slokam and invocation of all the forms of Lakshmi, and it was really soothing to the heart. So we have come over our first part of the program. Now the upcoming one is going to be very interesting. Just as we had for Durga Devi, we have three wonderful people who were part of the Three Shakti drama. So where do I start? All three of them are very essential, and they were really helpful, and they did their best in the dance drama. So as we'll see on the roles that they played, we first have Dr. Padma, who was played the role of Lakshmi Devi very beautifully, and you all will see it in tomorrow's broadcast. So Dr. Padma Prashantini, who is the disciple of Yogacharini Meenakshi Devi Bhavanani, Dr. Ananda Balyogi Bhavanani, and Srimati Devasena Bhavanani for the past 3 decades. She is a doctor by profession and specialized in sonology, women's and child health, and pharmacology. She is running an emergency and trauma care center along with her orthopedic husband, Dr. Vishnu Vardhan. Blessed with 2 daughters who were also part of the dance drama very nicely. They are Udvaita and Dikshita. So we are welcoming her on stage, and she'll be sharing her experience and what she thought of the Three Shakti dance drama. Next, we have Reena Joseph, who's the student of Dr. Sir Ammaji and Yoganjali Natyalayam, and wife of Dayanidhi, who most of you know, mother of 2 cutie pie children, Deganand and Hasini. At present, she's working at the Indian Bank. So we are welcoming her also. She played an important role as Brahma in the dance drama, and it was really nicely performed. And finally, we have Vidya Shankari, who just sang for all of you. So we are welcoming her also onto stage. So it's lovely to have these 3 people, and we are going to have a lot of fun tonight, and you all are going to know about their experiences, because they are the ones who experienced the drama and were part of it also, and you will see the scenes tomorrow. So we'll start with Padmaka, as she did Goddess Lakshmi, and it's very essential to know about her feelings.
Namaste, my yoga family all over the world. It's a nice evening, an Wednesday evening, and the day is also a dedication to Lourdes Lakshmi. The yesterday, today, and tomorrow will be a dedication to Lourdes Lakshmi. So I take it as a great opportunity to share my feelings dancing as Lord Lakshmi during the Navaratri Kala Yajna. In the first place, I would like to thank Amma, Dr. Sir, and Devasena Miss for giving me an opportunity and had trust in me after 9 years in giving me this role to participate in the Guru Jayanti, which is a great blessing for all of us as students. As Amma always used to say during every Vijayadashmi, that she will teach something new during those times when we were students. Amma used to take one Vijayadashmi class, which used to be a special class every year, and she used to tell that we are teaching a lot of things to you, but the best Guru Dakshina that each one of you can give it to me back is what you are going to give, how you are going to give back the teachings, what I have taught to you back to me in whatever form. That is the best Guru Dakshina I will be getting from you in whatever period of time that you will be able to give it to me. So I think that it is not a very big Dakshina, but a small Dakshina that I can give to my Gurus during this Guru Jayanti, where we also invoke the blessings of our Swamiji also, that too with the guidance of Amma and Dr. Sir and my sweet Devasena Miss. So usually the dance dramas used to be a satsanga for us when we were doing dance drama. Like I am associated with Yoganjali Natyalayam, like I think it is like 30 years I think. As a kid, from around 93 as a kid I started learning yoga dance, and now my kids are all doing yoga dance in Yoganjali Natyalayam during the summer summer camp. So it is a long journey with Yoganjali Natyalayam. So during every dance drama, Amma used to tell it's a satsanga where we learn essential yogic aspects and our cultural aspects of Hindu mythology. So when Amma assigns a character to each one of us, she detailedly describes the character what we are playing and the essence what the character carries. So that is how the character was first introduced to us. There will be a part of observation first. Then there will be a learning experience where Amma teaches us how the character plays their role, like how they walk, how they see, how they act, how they, how they show their love, how they show their anger, all the Navarasas, how each character depicts themselves. Then that is a part of observation. Then there is a part of learning where Sir and Miss intervenes with their music, where Sir intervenes with his music, and where Miss contributes in her part of dance composition. And she again brings in a form to what Amma's observation to us. So then that character gets materialized. Then finally the experience that we have on the stage, that transcendental experience. On stage we seriously don't know who we are, we just lose ourselves there. And we start playing the character what was actually imbibed in us. So every character is going through such a big travel in every satsanga, that is during every Guru Jayanti. We used to learn all those things. So the last character I played before my wedding was Panjali Sabadam. That was in October 2009. So that was like 1 month before I met my husband. I played Panjali Sabadam. Usually during the dance dramas, Amma used to assign characters, like if we do one negative character at one Jayanti, she used to balance us with a positive character in the next Jayanti. Our characters used to have a little of positive and a little of negative in the same drama itself, because that was really essential, because too much of negativity, we used to get too much into the character also. We used to also go through that emotional disturbances, or if it is too positive, we used to become that positive character. I have seen a lot of times where Devasena Miss have bursted crying emotionally when she was in her Sita character, or when she was in Kannagi character, or even we feel a little of cranky when we do all those demon characters, or any male characters, we become that role. So Panjali Sabdam was my last character, and when I left that character and came out from Yoganjali Natyalayam, I got married. I felt a sense of incompleteness, because that dance drama ended with Panjali taking a vow, like we will wage a war and win the Gauravas, and then only I will tie my hair into a knot. So that was the last vow I took, and I completed my dance drama. And after a 9-year cycle, I passed through my grihastha, I got married, I had kids, I had to go through my post-graduation, get settled in a little of Vanaprastha sort of stuff, getting into your career. Then again, bringing up your kids. After a big 9-year cycle, in 2018, October, exactly 9 years, I was given the opportunity of dancing Lourdes Lakshmi, which is just the opposite of Panjali. It is just the right opposite in everything. Panjali is so vigorous, she is angry, she's got that revenge to take over Gauravas. But Lourdes Lakshmi on the other side, she's pious, she's giving, she's very affectionate, and I don't know whether it's a coincidence or whether it's a fate. My husband is also called Goddess Vishnu. I mean, he has got the name of Lord Vishnu. So it became so apt for me to play the role as Goddess Lakshmi, and my concert as Dr. Vishnuvardhan witnessing the dance drama. And at that point of time, when I was introduced to my husband 9 years before, they introduced his daughter, and she's a very good Bharatanatyam dancer, and she has given many performances and all. But my husband used to keep asking me, I was introduced as, you were introduced as a dancer to me, but I didn't have an opportunity to witness any of your thing in a very elaborate way and all those stuff. Though we had CDs or something, it is nothing like featuring yourself in person to your life partner. So that was also one of the opportunities to show to my husband and my in-laws and that too in Kampan Kalyarangam, which is a very sentimental stage. Every dancer in Pondicherry starts their dance journey in Kampan Kalyarangam on that stage, and it takes you very far actually. That is a very sentimental stage. So on that night, my in-laws also came down, and Dr. Vishnuvardhan was also there, and they were actually awestruck. They were like, what is this? We didn't expect this sort of a dance drama presentation from your dance school, and we thought it is some simple program, and we came, but it is such an awesome feeling. And as usual, their father was very much excited to see his daughter's dance, and my parents were excited to see me dance. So it was a good opportunity, and it was a very good opportunity for me to share the stage with my daughters, Udvaita and Deekshita, because it's a very big blessing, I can tell you, to share our dance on a stage along with your children or along with your next generation. I think Divya, you will be having that experience with Devasana Miss and yourself dancing on stage, and it's a great experience to do. And with Devasana Miss being a big dancer, we used to look up to her. Like we used to be fans of Devasana Miss. Like if we dance, we have to dance like her. We have to like move like her. To put steps like her bhava, everything. She was like a heroine type of what to tell, look out for all of our students at that point of time. And yes, I think we are striving to do that till now. And with the blessings of Amma and Dr. Sir and Devasana Miss, hope I'll be given many more opportunities to be a part of Guru Jayanti and receive Dr. Sir's, Miss and Amma's blessings. And thank you all of you, and thank you Divya for calling me this evening, for sharing my experiences, because it is a journey again. It is, you go down your memory lane to check out what you have always done, because it's a big jolt in the spiritual life we go through, because you are always entangled in your life of getting up, waking up, going in your family, going with your family, taking care of your household, going to your job, going to your hospital, coming back, again children, family, and suddenly remembrance of these type of satsanga, these type of practices that we have gone through is a jolt for us from our Guru. Okay, wake up, there is something more in you. Please come out of what you're doing, and then look around, become aware. Please become aware. So I take this as an opportunity that you all are giving me to become more aware of what I'm capable of, and that what I have to come out from which I'm entangled. So thank you Divya for giving this opportunity, and special thanks to Krishnavini who coordinated that event also, because I saw her organizing a lot of things, and till there was a last moment tension about the costume arrangement. It always happens in a dance drama. There will be a last moment, the tension will just move, just blow the threshold, and it will be like too tense, and nail biting moments will also be there, whether how this is going to happen. But at 6:30 p.m. it all gradually happens the way it has to happen, and the stage becomes the place or the environment what the dance drama has actually had to create. Whether it's Vaikunta, it will become Vaikunta. Whether it is Kailasha, it will become Kailasha. Whether it is where the Saraswati and Brahma is, it becomes that. So it automatically takes that form with the blessings of Sir and Amma at that point of time, and we also lose ourselves. From the time we enter into the stage and the time we exit out, we seriously forget ourselves at that point, and only after coming out of the stage we are like a jolt, and what are you doing till now? That is what the feeling I always get. So thank you Divya for giving me this opportunity, and thank you Amma, Dr. Sir and Miss for guiding me all these years through the journey of yoga and dance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akka. Like, we really need that. Well, it would be nice to maybe hear a little bit from Udvaita and Deekshita, as they were part of the drama, and you all will be seeing them tomorrow in the broadcast. Maybe what they thought about the drama.
அதுதான் என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் டான்ஸ் ஆன் தி ஸ்டேஜ். நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் எப்போ நான் டான்ஸ் ஆடினதே இல்லை இது வரைக்கும். ஸ்கூல் ஆனுவல் டே மட்டும் ஆடிருக்கேன்.
okay. She's feeling shy, Divya.
Okay. So those two kids, it was lovely as Padmaka had told all of us that, mother as a family, when your family members can dance, and it's not only like your mother and children, it's also if your aunt, and especially when like Vidyaka, Saumyaka, they are my cousins, we have grown up together, and it's like, the whole family is dancing on stage, and even my aunt and uncle, they might not be dancing, but still they're there to support us. So it's like the whole family is there, and not only the relatives, also my dear Yognath family and the Anandashram family. It's so nice when we all can get together, and it's the best occasion. So thank you, Padmaka, Udvaita, and Dikshita, and we are waiting for the next dance drama so that all three of you can be in it again.
I'm lucky to have this mother.
Thank you. So next we'll have Reena Miss, and she will speak about her role, which was quite hard and nice.
Vanakkam Di. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati dance drama. I think it brings out the power of femininity very strongly. The music, the singing, the light, the properties, the makeup, and of course the performance brings life into the drama that we sometimes just get lost. We forget our real self and feel like we have traveled to heaven and we are witnessing the happening there. Actually, this feeling not only happened on that day, but also when we were watching you play the scenes from the dance drama for us. While watching it, I felt like this magic is everlasting and it's forever with us. In some scenes, we could feel that powerful energy of the Shakti, especially when Goddess Durga was on stage. Our Devasana Miss just makes all of us feel that we are lost somewhere. And suddenly we have to get ready. We are there somewhere and we have to get ready into the scene. I think it not only happens to me, but to many of us while we are on stage, we forget we are playing roles. We get lost in someone else's performance, and all of a sudden, second a bell rings in our brain. Wake up, you are on stage, you are next, get ready, come on. That feeling we get most of the times when we see good performances. In this dance drama, I got to do the role of Brahma. Usually, mostly I get to do the role of Brahma in most of the dance dramas. Usually, Brahma will be like, he's so generous, always giving boons to all his sincere devotees, irrespective of whether they are good or bad. And the boon will bring him trouble, like the boon he gave to Mahishasura. Sometimes it will be like his pride and ego that brings problems. But in this dance drama, I got to do a totally new face where Brahma himself is the problem. Brahma should be gazing at Goddess Saraswati lustfully. I was little scared in the beginning, actually. I feared whether I'm going to spoil the show. First time when we were trying it on the practice session, Dr. Sir was encouraging me and Kani that it will come out well, don't worry. And that is where we got the strength. And finally, after torturing Krishnaveni, Krishnaveni is always our almighty savior. When it comes to dance drama, we always look forward to her. We get her help, and somehow we manage to do it. Like if she shows the 100%, I think we give the 50%. So thanks to Krishnaveni for that. All our dance dramas, including the Trishakti dance drama, have that magical elevation. Every dance drama I have noticed, the magic flows when Ammaji comes in. Till that we feel like it's skeleton. Once Ammaji is there, that one day and the next day when we see the drama, oh my God, it's like we are lost. We are into heaven. She's like the G boom ba, and the heaven is in front of us. So I think it is indeed a great blessing and pride for this lifetime to me. to live and learn from Amaji, Dr. Sir, our Desna Miss, and all our beloved teachers of the Yognath family. Thank you, Dee. Thank you for the opportunity.
So yes, thank you, Miss. And that was a lovely way of covering everyone. And why I'm having all these people speak to all of you is that, just seeing the broadcast will be nice, but you have to know who were in the drama. Well, I can't bring all of the dancers because it's quite hard online, but at least the main ones and the major roles played, and it's very true. And I'm looking forward for the broadcast of Lakshmi tomorrow, and you'll be seeing all of them there. So finally, we'll have Vidyaka, who sang for us very beautifully tonight and encouraged Lakshmi Devi to come into our house.
Vanakkam. I'm so happy to be part of this Navaratri Kala Yajna, and I'm really feeling very blessed to be in this part. And I feel very pleasant to be the part of Yognath dance drama. My first dance drama is Andal Charitram. I was 7 months old, so in 1998. So uh, like that's what my first drama, and then I was starting my dance drama. So coming to Trishakti dance drama, I feel very blessed because it's giving like how to say, arranging the students schedule, sharing the experience with students, like they will be doing step by step what we are doing, because starting from grouping the students, selecting the props, selecting the costumes, and practicing for the dance drama, which will create a huge beautiful experiences, which we feel, actually we both, the you, everyone here who can feel that, because and mainly the duration of this dance drama, like starting from practice session to the performing day, it will be like five months. So my favorite part is practicing with musicians, because until that we'll be practicing the random scenes, and when musician come, we'll be like, we are going to do a full lengthy dance drama from introduction to the conclusion with that group photo we take. So it's like I feel like Dr. Sir's voice is like very energetic and emotional, which connects the audience with the dance drama we are doing. It, like my feeling is that he's very his voice is very energetic and emotional, and like next okay. My feeling of the seniors who are performing in the dance drama, like when we are practicing, Padmaka, Kaniyaka, Devsna Miss, like when they are all practicing, in practice itself, I'll be mesmerized in their performance, and like, oh, I have to do something, right? What am I doing now? So it's like in practices, many practices, I'll be missing my tone, like, wait, Vidya, you have to do this. Why are you watching? Why are you you are very, I feel like I'm very mesmerized in their performances, and I forget what I have to do in that position. So it's like that. And in in that Trishakti dance drama, we have done an online practice session for Lakshmi Devi's marriage decoration scene, because we have to practice in weekdays also. So Krishna from Bangalore will be video calling us. Myself and Balasundari will be managing the students in Yognath, and we'll be practicing through online, actually, in Trishakti dance drama. So it will be like we are doing that because we have to give our best in dance drama, because in our side we have to not do any mistakes. I have to give our best, not only us, with the small kids, because they need the practice session for the dance drama. So we have done online classes sessions, and mainly like first and most importantly, when Ammaji comes for practice session, the magic creates at the place, because Ammaji will be doing small changes, but it will create a huge impact on stage. Like how to say, like Padmaka said, you have to come slowly for Lakshmi. It will create a huge impact on stage, which creates people that Lakshmi, God is a very pleasant way of coming. So we are interacting with audience. What we are doing, we have to interact with audience, because they have to enjoy the whole drama. So, and I'm very blessed, and I'm very happy to be in part of Trishakti dance drama, and I'm feeling very blessed to be a student of Ammaji, Dr. Sir, and Devsna Miss. And thank you so much for this opportunity, for gathering my old memories through this session. So thank you so much, Dee. Thank you.
So yeah, thank you, Vidyaka. And it's very important because, as she said, like she, me, and Saumyaka, and even Anandraj, we all have been practically dancing since we have been born, actually. And even when we were in our mother's womb, we practically, if they danced, we also danced. So just as Dr. Sir says that his age and plus 10 months is his experience in yoga. It's most of us, actually, every one of us, and even Reena Miss and Padmaka, they came at very young ages, and now their children are part of it. And it's such a pride to look up, the next generation is coming up, and when it goes to like 3-4 generations, what more do we need? That's the height of our happiness. So it has been a lovely day 5, and thank you to all 3 of you for making it better. And just as I said for Durga Devi, the 3 of them made it the best, and I'm sure that you 3 have also made it the best for Lakshmi Devi. So thank you so much, and we are looking up to everyone tomorrow. Please join us, don't miss it. The broadcast is coming up, and please join us for the whole story that Yognath has prepared and performed in the Trishakti dance drama. So see you all tomorrow. Thank you, and keep supporting and blessing us. That keeps us going, and keep smiling, and we'll be back soon.
Thank you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.